Welcome to the final chapter of our walking tour across Canada. Today we journey through the history and coastal majesty of the East. We begin at the thundering heart of Ontario, Niagara Falls, where over 3 million liters of water plunge every single second. Beyond the falls, we walk through history at Drummond Hill, once a pivotal battlefield in the War of 1812. The newly restored Niagara Parks Power Station offers a unique walk through a tunnel leading to the very base of the falls. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Traveling east into Quebec, we find ourselves in the cradle of New France and the continent's only walled city. The 400-year-old streets of Old Quebec are a living museum, best explored at a slow, wandering pace. In Place Royale, we stand where Samuel de Champlain founded the city in 1608, surrounded by centuries of French architecture. The Promenade des Gouverneurs offers a breathtaking cliffside walk, connecting the historic terrace to the heights of the city. We pause at the Plains of Abraham, once a pivotal battlefield and now a peaceful sanctuary for the modern city. Our journey reaches its final leg in the Maritimes, a land where the walking experience is dictated by the tides. The world-famous Cabot Trail in Nova Scotia reveals its true character through its winding hiking paths. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. The Skyline Trail leads us to a clifftop boardwalk, offering views of Wales and the Gulf of St. Lawrence far below. In the Cape Breton Highlands, every step through the boreal forest brings the chance of an encounter with local wildlife. This loop is globally renowned for its scenic beauty, where the mountains meet the Atlantic in a dramatic embrace. Crossing to Prince Edward Island, we discover the Island Walk, a path inspired by the famous Camino de Santiago. The island's iconic red sand beaches provide a meditative backdrop for a coastal walk through another world. At Greenwich Dunes, a floating boardwalk leads us through sensitive wetlands to an otherworldly parabolic dune system. The environment here is fragile and diverse, showcasing the unique ecology that makes PEI so special. This landscape inspired the timeless tales of L.M. Montgomery, inviting us to find our own kindred spirit in nature. From the Rockies to the rainforests, and finally to the historic East, we've walked through the heart of a nation. Thank you for joining us on this three-part journey. Canada's wilderness and history are always waiting for your next step. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.